is designed to an always up-to-date operating system. Almost every day, Windows Update is released. This update causes a lot of headache for some people, especially for those users who have limited bandwidth. Here, I will show you how can you control your data use. Click on search box and write down settings. Go to settings. Click on network and internet. Click on Wi-Fi. Click on manage own network. This is my own network. Click on your own network. Click on properties. Meter connection. Set as meter connection on or off. Set it on. In this way, you can save your data easily by yourself.